Welcome to today's full body continuous workouts. We've got a continuous flow of exercises for this one, which I personally love. Now, all I've got today is a set of 2 kilo dumbbells, so you can go a bit heavier if you want, or you can go a bit lighter, completely up to you. First up, we are just going to do a little warm up, so just doing some squats. Put the dumbbells by your side, just warming up through the legs, through the arms, before we get into it. 3 more. And 1, coming out side to side, just slow pace here. Two more each side. And 1. Drop those weights. Arm circles. Switch directions, going forward for 5. And switching sides. Forwards. And 5. Okay, let's get straight into it. First up, we have got a squat and reach. So dumbbells are just in front of you, shoulders are back. Feet are just a bit further than shoulder width. Squat, reach up, squat, reach up. So we're coming slightly to the side with each reach. Not straight up in the air, stretching right through the obliques. It's not a race. Slow and controlled as always. Sinking into the heels for those squats. Halfway. Should be feeling that through the legs, the arms, and right through your obliques as well. Last 2. And 1. Bring the dumbbells up to your chest, and we are stepping back and twisting over the leg that's in front. Step forward, come back, and twist. Make sure you've fully sunk into that leg movement here before you start the twist. 2 separate movements. Slow and controlled through every single rep. Last 4. Two, 1 more. And 1. Dropping those weights down. We are coming into a plank with a pike combo. So planking here, then lift that bum up towards the ceiling, coming back down. Lift, slight pause, back down. Think of a bit of string hooked onto the top of your pants, and that's just pulling you directly up. You can drop to your knees here if you need. Four to go. One more. All right, coming through for a little stretch. Take a drink if you need to. Shoulders should be feeling it already. Okay, coming over. We are lying down on the ground. Grab your dumbbells for this one if you want. You don't have to, it will just add a little bit extra. Okay, so for this one, we are in a bridge position. Drive the hips up. All that pressure is through the heels here. Holding here for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're doing 4 marches. So bringing the legs up. 4. Come back into that hold for 5 seconds. Drive that leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold here. When you're doing those marches, you'll feel it right through that stabilizing leg. Keep the hips up, glutes switched on. Holding. 4, 3, 2, one more here. 1, holding. 4, 5, back into your marches. Core is switched on throughout every single rep. Marches. One more set. Marches. And 4. Coming back down, standing up. Next up, we're moving into a side lunge. Using your dumbbells if you want to, but if you don't want to, that is totally fine. Coming across, sink right into this right hand leg glute. And then coming through to the other side. Shoulders are back. Last one each side. Grabbing those dumbbells. For this one, we are hinging at the hips, row, come back to starting position, then move into a tricep kick back. Row, starting position, bring it up, kick back. alternating between these two movements. You could go heavier with the rows, but then you may find that that tricep kickback is a bit harder. Three more. Last one. Okay, moving down to the floor. We've got both of our dumbbells by our sides. Coming onto your back. Feet are up in the air and we're coming through for a plate crunch. Or a dumbbell crunch, depending on what equipment you've got in hand. Reaching up towards the toes. Breathing out as you push to the top. Ten more. Three more. 2, 1. Next up, we have a Russian twist. So keep your feet planted on the ground here. Unless you do want to pick it up a bit, step it up another level, then you can raise your feet. But otherwise, planted on the ground. And we're coming through side to side. 10 to go. And one final exercise. We have got a weighted dead bug. So we've got our feet in a 90-degree position here in tabletop, and then we're extending the opposite arm and leg. So slow and controlled. If these are difficult, you can just drop the weights as well and do it body weight. But adding those dumbbells just ramps it up that extra little bit. Killer exercise. I try to do 20 of these every single day. Really helps with the core. Last 4. 2, 1 more. 1. All right, sitting up. Make sure you do a nice little stretch afterwards, and I will see you for the next one.